My name is James and I am a volunteer at the BC Vintage Truck Museum. Today I will be introducing you to our mini-series of Truck of the Week. I hope you learn lots about the trucks. This is our 1910 steam delivery van. It was donated by Pete Gagan and is the newest addition to the museum. This truck is powered by a 2-cylinder white steam engine. This boiler is a replica of the Stanley steam boiler. This delivery van is sitting on an Overland Frame and has a Model T rear end. We want to say a big thank you to BC Diesel, who is the sponsor of this truck. Thanks for watching our Truck of the Week. Please continue to follow us on Facebook and Instagram.